All right, guys, welcome back. Another week, another episode, UBTW. This time we teamed up with the guys over at Vossen. We got a set of Vossen Forged S21-02s. And of course, these are going on an Italian horsey. It's the SF90 21-inch staggered, getting kitted and fitted here at Premier Tire and being shipped off to Dubai, baby. So let's open up these boxes and let's see what we're gonna roll out in Dubai this year. All right, let's open up the boxes and let's see what the boys from Vossen are cooking up with these S21-02s. Now, we got a really nice finish on these ones. So without any further ado, let's take the curtain off and see what's cooking. All right, so here we have the S21-02s. Of course, we got the traditional Vossen Forged engraving around the outer flange. Like I said, this is the marbled finish with clear. The face of the wheel is a brush finish. The inside pocketing is marbled. It's an absolutely unique and really nice finish. The SF90 that we're putting these on is, I believe, called Coso Rosso Red, something, one of those names that they have. It's a red one. All right, so these Vossen Forged one-piece monoblock S21-02s, super lightweight, one hand easy. It's got the elevated spoke faces, gives a three-dimensional flange, of course, along with the Vossen Forged engraving. The dimensions between the steps here are absolutely gorgeous. These are little details that a lot of these wheel manufacturers just don't put into when they're creating wheels. So big shout out to the guys over at Vossen, always detail orientated, and of course we love selling the brand. So you guys know how it goes. You want wheels, we got deals, and you want forged authentic wheels, we definitely are your source for this kind of stuff.